You know, let's go pistol only. I think that'll be pretty good. Alright, got one person. There's another guy around here somewhere. I don't know where the fuck he's at. Alright, we got a good start. Where'd that guy go? There he is. Dude, another pistol silencer. Dude, I'm finding so many good guns. Oh my god, another Thompson.
But I just can't bring myself to speak. But this is how it goes. The end credits, they roll. This bridge was built over kerosene, but we can watch it. All I ever wanted was sunlight and honesty highlights. To wanna repeat, let's get away from here and live like the movies. Do I won't mind when it's over? At least I didn't think so. Let's run, make a great escape, and I'll be waiting outside.